Well, they blew up the chicken man in Philly last night. Blew up his house too. Down on the border, getting ready for a fight. Gonna see what the record boys can do. Now there's trouble busting in from out of state. The DA can't get no relief. Gonna be a problem a lot on that problem name. Gambling commission saying all my skin is cheap. Well, now everything does this effect. Everything does in the combat. Put your makeup on, fix your